Hello people, in this video we want to look at the treatment for multi-drug resistant TB. Okay, so first of all there is something called as rifampicin resistant tuberculosis. Then you have multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, which will be resistant means to two things, multi, right? So either it will be resistant to both rifampicin and isoniazid, then it will be multi-drug resistant. But if it is resistant to rifampicin but it is sensitive to isoniazid, okay, so that time you have what is called as this one, rifampicin resistant but isoniazid sensitive tuberculosis. Okay, that is the first category they have, and then they have one more category here called as the MDR-TB, where it is multi-drug resistant. Okay, this much you understood. So basically guys, when you know the normal treatment, this is not at all difficult. Okay, what is the normal treatment for tuberculosis? HRZE in the intensive phase and then HRE in the continuous phase, right? So what will happen? It is resistant to rifampicin, so remove rifampicin, give the others HZE. Here what you'll do is you'll remove rifampicin, HE you will give, but to that you will add a lot of other drugs that we will come to. Okay, then coming to multi-drug resistance, both rifampicin and isoniazid resistant, so remove isoniazid. Okay, so what will be left? ZE and E. That much you understood. Others extra we have to add. Okay, we will add that. And what is the regimen? Here you have to give 6 to 9 months of intensive phase, and how much of are they telling this? 18 months of continuous phase. This is quite huge, right? 1.5 years of treatment almost. Now which are the other drugs, guys? So you have to give kanamycin, KM is kanamycin, LFX is levofloxacin, this is ETO is ethionamide, cycloserine. Okay, only 4 things you have to remember. KLES. You know that KLE college, you know, there is one KLE college in Karnataka. So just remember KLE C. Did I say S? Sorry, it is C. Say KLE college, kanamycin, levofloxacin, ethionamide, cycloserine. If you have some other better thing, you can write. But anyways, for us KLE is very nice, right? We will take this as our mnemonic. Coming to the continuous phase, guys, what will you drop here? K you will drop. Okay, K you will drop. LEC is still there. Okay. Fine. Did you understand, guys? K you're dropping, kanamycin you're dropping. Okay. Then what is it about MDR-TB, guys? Focus. Talk about MDR-TB, guys. You at least know that you will give Z and E and E, right? Now what and all you will add to it? Same thing. Kanamycin, levofloxacin, ethionamide, cycloserine. Absolutely the same. Wait, kanamycin, levofloxacin, ethionamide, cycloserine, O, and only that H is removed. But this K has become capital. Does that mean anything? Interesting. Okay, and then let's go here. It's absolutely the same thing. They have removed isoniazid. That's it. LEC, same thing. Okay. So guys, so we are done with the treatment for multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. Also, we have covered rifampicin resistant but isoniazid sensitive tuberculosis treatment. Okay. Just remember the duration here, 6 to 9 months, and continuous phase is 18 months. Wait. So if this is 6 to 9 months and this is 18 months, is it a total of 2 years? It's a total of 2 years treatment. Okay. Actually, we can say it is more than 2 years of treatment. Why? You know, because it is 6 months, which can be up to 9 months. Okay. Plus 18 months. 18 is what, guys? 12 plus 6, right? So it is 1.5 years. So total more than 2 years of treatment. Okay. So this is our treatment for, yes, MDR-TB. Very good. Now let us go to another. This is from the pharmacology textbook. Look at this. What they are telling here for MDR-TB. Intensive phase 6 to 9 months. Continuous phase 18 months. Same thing they have marked here. Levofloxacin, ethionamide, cycloserine, and ethambutol. Both are same. Okay, Z is there here, Z is not there here, K is there here, K is not there. K and Z are special. Okay. And also, guys, they are adding pyridoxine. That is nothing but vitamin B6, isn't it? Pyridoxine. Okay. Because it will result in deficiency. Is it vitamin B6? Okay, remember to add pyridoxine, vitamin B6 daily. Okay. Actually, this was important if you're giving isoniazid. But if you're not giving isoniazid, this is not important, please. See, because it will, its structure is similar to pyridoxine, vitamin B6. So what will happen? Isoniazid. It competitively interferes with utilization of pyridoxine, promotes pyridoxine excretion. That's why you should give pyridoxine along with INH. But if you're not giving INH, is it fine? So basically this vitamin B6 they're talking about. Okay, let us look at the categories of these drugs that we're giving also in MDR-TB. What are the drugs we're giving in MDR-TB extra? KLE, college, right? So kanamycin is what? It's an aminoglycoside. Levofloxacin is a fluoroquinolone. Ethionamide is thioamide. It is seen only in tuberculosis, actually in classification. Ethionamide. And what is C? C is cycloserine. Again, it is seen only in tuberculosis. Cycloserine, why I feel I've seen it somewhere else? Cycloserine. See, ethionamide is an antibiotic used to treat tuberculosis. What about cycloserine? Cycloserine is GABA transaminase inhibitor and an antibiotic. It is used to treat tuberculosis. GABA transaminase inhibitor. So let's write that here. Cycloserine is a GABA transaminase inhibitor. Okay guys, so now you have understood multi-drug resistant tuberculosis treatment. That's it for now in this video. Bye bye. Yes, as bedaquiline is a new drug that, and you can use it when you want to treat some resistant cases with resistance to all fluoroquinones, etc. Okay, so you can use this to bedaquiline also. So this bedaquiline is coming under this name Sirturo, bedaquiline. Okay, so you have to remember this one also guys, bedaquiline. What do you think this SU is guys? So guys, for treatment of tuberculosis, there are two new drugs that you have to write. Bedaquiline that you saw now. There's one more, Delamanid. Okay, Delamanid also you have to write. So Delamanid. Again, this is for multi-drug resistant tuberculosis.